Hey, it's Dan Frolke. If you are a brand new beginner at affiliate marketing, you don't have any money for advertising, or you're on a limited budget, I want to show you 5 free websites where you can advertise your affiliate offer on a daily basis. Let me show you that right now. So the purpose of this video is to show you how to get free traffic and leads to your affiliate website on a daily basis. And this first website is called Herculist Plus. This is known as a traffic exchange or safe list. Now, I'm not sure if you ever heard of that before, but it's a very good way when you're first starting out as an affiliate marketer and you're on a limited budget to get free traffic and leads to your affiliate offer. These people are business opportunity seekers and are usually promoting some type of work from home business opportunity within this site. Now, I know from 12 plus years of experience that many of these people are not making money in their regular online business that they're advertising within this site. And they're always looking for the next shiny object. All right. So if you don't have any money for paid advertising, this is a great way to get human eyeballs to look at your offer, to get in front of these people who are really not making money in their business. And depending upon if your capture page and your offer is converting, this could be very good for you. So in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you a few ways to get free traffic using the Herculist Plus platform. With Herculist, you can sign up for free. All you have to do to get started is click this Get Started button. You can sign up for free. And at the time of this recording, there are 358,881 members registered at Herculist Plus. There is free members and paid members. Now, I created my Herculist account over 10 years ago when I was a brand new affiliate marketer with a very limited budget. And it was through Herculist and some of these other traffic exchanges or safe lists is how I got my first affiliate marketing sales, and then I scaled up to paid advertising from there. So that's the reason for recording this tutorial for you today. I truly believe that these sites have value because it worked for me when I first got started. And here's just a few reasons why it's worth joining Herculist Plus. They've been around for almost 20 years. You can send your ad out to over 350,000 people. It's 100% real traffic, real people, no bots or fake traffic. You'll get free advertising tools to help build your business, and you can also earn money by becoming an affiliate and get paid within 24 hours. Even as a free member, you can earn 25% commissions, so that's kind of cool too. You can also network with like-minded people, and we all know that that's good for your business as well. Now, I've got a link in the description of this video so you can create your own free account and become a member. And when you do use my link, you're going to get a $5 bonus. And here's just a little heads up. Now, when you do sign up, make sure you use a different email account. All right, you don't want to use your main email account because you're going to get a ton of emails from these guys. Always create new emails and use them for these traffic exchanges or list builders. All right. So let's log in to my account. And right when you log in, you're going to start seeing ads. Okay, the ads are everywhere. This one is called a login ad. Now, the object of the safe list or traffic exchanges is to watch their ads, earn credits, and use those credits to email their members your offer. And depending upon how many credits you accumulate will determine how many members you can email. In this case, they have over 350,000 members. Again, this is called a login ad, and if you want your ad featured here, you can just click right here. But for right now, we're going to click on members. And we're going to scroll down to continue to Herculist, or up here, I guess. And as you can see, more ads. Okay, there's a lot of noise inside this website. There's a lot of things happening. It's a little confusing at first, so just take your time and just go slow. Now here's another ad. You can just X out of it. This is called a prime ad. X out of that right there. And then you see the company updates. You can X out of that, okay? All right, now you're looking at the members area, and as you can see here, I'm a lifetime gold member. Long ago, I started out as a free member, but I quickly upgraded when I saw all this value in here. It's also very inexpensive to be a gold member, just $49 for a lifetime membership. Herculist Plus has multiple advertising traffic sources. There are 7 different ways to advertise in Herculist. And I'm going to show you how to post for free in just a second. There's a great tutorial right here that explains all the benefits of this platform. It's about 30 minutes long, but it's an excellent video. All right, let's go up here to the Add Mailers section. And of course, more ads. So we're going to continue to the Add Mailer. And the site's kind of slow because I am recording. All right, so let's get rid of this, X out of this over here, and we're going to X out of this power blurb. So I want to show you one thing. Okay, again, there's a lot of ways to advertise on this website right here. Just want to show you the menu there. All right, over on the left here, we have the rules and we have the current mailing status. Okay, there are 358,886 members, so that went up about 4 since I started this recording. All right, to reach here today. Okay, so let's scroll down to the regular mailer. Okay, over on the left here is the regular mailer, and as a free member, you can email 1,000 people a day for free. And if you add that up, that's 30,000 per month. It's very easy to do, and because you took the time to watch my video, there's a link below for some free ad swipes that you can use for this. These ad swipes are generic, and you can use them for any make money online opportunity or work from home opportunity. And again, I'll put that link below for you. It's absolutely free. All I ask you to do is subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up on this tutorial. I'd really appreciate it. And like I said, it's very easy to submit your ad. All you do is add your headline right here, the URL to your capture page, and the ad body goes right here. And then click Submit Ad. Very easy. Then up here, you can always resubmit a previous ad. That way you don't have to write it out. That's the regular mailer. So not only will you be able to email 1,000 real people every single day, if you use my link below, they're going to give you a $5 bonus. So this is a great way to get real human eyeballs looking at your affiliate program absolutely free on a daily basis. Now over to the right is their credit mailer. When you earn credits by watching ads, clicking on websites, and opening up emails, you can use these credits to email more than 1,000 people a day. And as you can see here, I happen to have over 30,000 credits available to me at this time. This mailer has a 500 credit minimum, and 1 member is reached for every 2 credits used. So with 30,000 credits, I can email about 15,000 people right now. And of course, if you need more credits, all you have to do is read some blurbs or ads. And I can show you that right now. You can also scroll up to this big menu and right here, earn credits. And I'll show you exactly what that looks like. And we're going to continue to earn credits. You can click on any one of these right here. Okay, so for 35 points, all you have to do is give this a click. Okay, and you're going to watch this ad, and you have to wait till the countdown gets to 0, and then the next credit. And you just earned, well, I just earned 35 credits. Okay, so you can see the total right here. Then you click on the next site, watch the next ad. Okay, wait 5 seconds, and it looks like I've already been credited for that ad. And you can also go over here to earn credits, all right? Gold blurb. 35 credits. This is the ad right here. Please wait. And 35 credits earned. Then you can click on to the next site. All right, so that's as easy as that. You just earn credits, and then you can turn those credits into emailing their list of over 350,000 people. All right, it's as easy as that. All right, I want to show you a couple more things. So let's switch back over to the members area right now. Let's X out of this, and we can X out of this again. So I just want to show you this little area right here. When you use the credit mailer, this area is going to show you the last 75 member credit ads. Now, if you could create an eye-catching headline, you can get free traffic from this area as well. And I want to scroll down here and show you this. Okay, this is called the traffic bomb. And if you have a little bit of money to spend, I recommend this. For just $39, you're going to get all this, okay? All members that logged into Herculist, you can read this on your own. But this is a very good deal if you have just a little bit of money to spend. So you can see, guys, it's very easy to generate 10 to 25 hot leads every single day for your affiliate offer in less than 30 minutes for free using Herculist Plus. At the beginning of this tutorial, I promised you 5 free websites to advertise daily. So what I want to do now is briefly show you the 4 other sites where you can get some free traffic for affiliate marketing. I really don't need to go into great detail with these next 4 sites because they essentially work the same way as Herculist. You can join for free and start getting real human traffic to your affiliate marketing offer. And the websites that I'm about to show you are not in any particular order, and I will have all the links below in the description of this video. The first one is called Leadsleap. Now these guys offer way more than free traffic to your affiliate website. There's a list manager, a page builder, a pop-up creator, a link tracker, and 5 ways to make money with this website. So this is a great site. Website number 3 is called freeadvertisingforyou.com. Website number 4, Infinity Traffic Boost. And website number 5, List Impact. So there you have it, 5 free websites to advertise daily. All right, if you want to learn exactly what I'm doing to make a 6-figure plus per year income online, well, make sure you watch the next videos there on the end screen. Subscribe to my channel, and if you got some value out of this video, give me a thumbs up. I always appreciate it. We'll see you on the next video.